Hi everyone, my name is Vito and I would like to welcome you back for another portion of veg. Today we are making something quick for a lunchbox or as a quick meal, and it is noodles with crispy stir fry. It is easy to make and it will take you no more than 20 minutes to prepare this. If you like the content, don't forget to hit that like button, and now let's get started. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to support us and also to be notified for new upcoming content. If you have any questions, just let us know down in the comments below, and see you next time. May the plants be with you. Cheers!